So why does Toyota absolutely dominate the industry in longevity and resale value? Let's dive right into this explainer.
Seriously, how does a Tacoma keep over 82% of its value after 3 years? It's kind of mind-blowing.
Well, the secret sauce is Kaizen. It's their philosophy of relentless, daily, continuous improvement across every single level. Then there's Jidoka, basically automation with a human touch. They bake quality control right into the everyday workflow.
In practice, literally any worker can physically stop the assembly line the second they spot a defect. Pretty empowering, right?
Plus, they lean on conservative engineering. They'd much rather use proven, rock-solid tech than risk it on flashy, unproven features. They literally over-engineer these things. Premium alloys and lower stress tuning mean these cars easily hit 300,000 miles. And your wallet will thank you. Toyotas cost way less to repair every year compared to the industry average.
The proof is right here. Look at these insane resale values for the Tacoma, Supra, and Highlander Hybrid.
But how does all this impact the broader market? Well, an Ecan Store paper on vehicle recalls reveals a ton.
First up, adverse selection. That's when buyers and sellers have totally different information, which really messes with market activity.
The research found something wild. Recalls actually increase transactions in low-end markets, but totally tank them in high-end ones.
So yeah, negative news hits different market segments in totally different ways when used cars are traded during recalls.
Ultimately, Toyota's reliability isn't magic. It's a highly calculated blend of continuous improvement, risk-averse engineering, and smart market dynamics.
So, before your next purchase, ask yourself, are you just buying a car or investing in an engineered asset?